I own several screwdrivers, but when these Wera ball grip style screwdrivers were finally available to purchase in the US, I picked some up. What makes these ball head screwdrivers unique? The ball end design allows for a significantly better grip and lets you apply more torque compared to traditional screwdrivers. With standard screwdrivers, you typically use a claw-like grip or grab the tool from the side, if there's enough space. However, the cylindrical shape, especially if it's plastic, can make the tool slippery, whereas Kraftform screwdrivers, which are also well known, offer an improved grip due to their ergonomic shape that conforms better to your hand. However, they still have the same limitations when it comes to gripping the very top of the handle since it's also cylindrical. The ball head features indentations designed to fit your fingers, providing better control. The surface is covered with a grippy rubber material, enhancing your hold. This screwdriver also incorporates Wera's laser tip engineered blade. Essentially, this means the tip has a micro-rough surface that helps it grip the screw more effectively. This reduces the risk of cam out, which is when the tool slips out of the screw, potentially damaging your work surface. An issue that can be quite frustrating. Another advantage of the laser tip is that the added grip allows you to apply less pressure while still maintaining control over the screw. Wera includes a red label on top of the screwdriver, which is incredibly convenient. It makes it much easier to identify the size when it's tossed into my tool bag. At the end of the black grip, you'll notice two flat surfaces. This black material is much stiffer than what the rest of the black and green grip is made from. This can be gripped with a pair of pliers, which gives you more torque, thanks to the longer moment arm. Here is the pricing of this lineup. You can purchase these screwdrivers at either Chad's Toolbox or KC Tools. I'll leave links in the description below. Something to note is that the length used in the name does not refer to the entire length of the screwdriver. The length used in the name is the measurement from this line to the tip of the screwdriver. Another thing to note is that on the Kraftform screwdriver, the green parts of the screwdriver is what's grippy, and the black portions are a little bit more slick. On these screwdrivers, the black portion is what's grippy, and the green is a little bit more slick. If you think these screwdrivers will fit your hand shape, then I do recommend you pick up at least one. As you can see, the ball head screwdrivers are fairly priced considering the unique features they bring to the table compared to other models. Let me know what other types of videos you would like to see from me in the future. If this video was useful, be sure to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.